Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by installing and signing in. Open the Chrome Web Store, add the Deepl extension, and accept the requested permissions so it can read page text. Once done, sign in or create an account to unlock preferences and cloud features. This matters because some features require authentication. Next, pin the extension to your toolbar for speedy access. Make sure to choose the primary target language now so translations appear immediately when you use the extension. You'll translate by selecting text or the whole page. Highlight a sentence, right-click and pick Translate with Deepl, or click the toolbar icon to open the pop-up. This gives you immediate inline translation and preserves context. Use the Detect Language option if you're unsure of the source. Switch target languages quickly from the drop-down. For full pages, click the Extension menu and choose Translate Page. Select Inline Overlay to keep originals, or open a new tab if you prefer. You'll finish by customizing and troubleshooting. Open settings to set your preferred target language, tone, formal or informal, and auto-translate rules for specific sites so Deepl behaves predictably. If translations lag or the pop-up won't appear, clear browser cache, restart Chrome, or toggle the extension off and on to force a reload. Make sure the extension has site access in Chrome's site permissions and keep Chrome updated. If problems persist, reach out to Deepl support for account-specific diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.